Today another package, products to review. Let's see what we got today. Oh, this is a mount for the car, for the phone. So we can try it in several cars that we have around here. Let's see which one is better. So this goes here, this goes here, super easy. I'm here in Miami with this brand new Volkswagen Jetta GLI, and I'm gonna try this PopTech car phone mount in it. We already opened it before, but let's do this again. This part well, you have to put this first so you can screw it on. Click it. It's on now. And this particular one, oh well, you can expand it, you can adjust it. And this one is with a suction cup, which is going to be really useful because you can take it in different cars. This one has a pretty heavy glue actually. Since this is not my car, I'm not gonna put it on like that because I don't want it to be permanent. So in order to put your phone on, you just press here, it expands, and there it is. Let me see this again. I think this is pretty. So now this is a good position because I have like the same view as the road. You can reach it out, and actually this Jetta doesn't have navigation on its own. So I could use mine here, going to a produce place. Let's put it up here. Maria Corona Produce, 12 miles. So you put it in, and there you go.
Starting route to Maria Corona Produce. Proceed to Southwest 80th Street, then take the first left. At the light, use the middle lane to take a slight left turn onto South Dixie Highway.
So the suction cup seems to be super strong. Obviously you have to tighten it up so it doesn't lose any position, but so far so good. Let's go on the highway and see how it stays on. Here we go. So there you go, 80 miles an hour, and this stays on really well. I really like it.
In 2 miles, keep left toward Florida's Turnpike South.
So now I pair the phone through Bluetooth to the car, so I have the Apple CarPlay map here on the screen, and I can still use the phone for other things if I need to. Not recommended to text or watch videos or anything, but it's there. And again, this is super solid. It really stayed there all time that I was driving at high speed. And as you know, I change cars pretty much every day, so I will keep this one in a box and give it to one of my friends who will use it permanently. Really good product.
The destination is on your left, Maria Corona Produce.
Here we are.
Arrived.
So now en route, we're done. And then to take it off, super simple, just push in the back and that stays there. We go out shopping now.